how to change a username on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone and then select Profile in the bottom of the app. Once you get to your profile, simply select Edit Profile. And then all you need to do is find username and select the username that you currently have. From there, you simply need to alter the username at the top. Keep in mind, changing your profile is limited to once every 30 days. And if you change it, it will also change your profile link. So if you have any links on different social media to your TikTok account, those links will no longer work and you'll have to update them. So you can go ahead and change this username however you want. And if you see a green check next to it, then that username is available. And then all you need to do to change your username is simply select save, and then your username will be updated. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.